Welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, we'll go over how to navigate and use the Add Edit Booking screen. The Add Edit Booking screen is where you manage appointments in the system, quickly, easily, and without fuss. The screen is designed to be intuitive so that authorized staff and practitioners can create new bookings, check existing ones, or make changes in just a few clicks. It's a small screen with a big job, helping your practice run smoothly, keeping schedules accurate, and cutting down on admin headaches. Let's get started. There are two ways to get to this screen. On the diary screen, you can simply double-click on your preferred time slot and the screen will open. Alternatively, click on the New Booking button and you'll land on the same screen. Once open, you'll see the booking details section. This is where you capture the essentials like the type of appointment, the date, time, duration, location, and of course, the treating practitioner. Start by choosing the diary you want to book into. Here, you'll see all the practitioners' diaries linked to your practice's entity. Next, pick the booking type. Remember, the booking types you see here depend on how they have been set up for your practice. For more information on booking types, please refer to the booking types user manual linked in the video's description. Then select a booking status. This indicates where the patient is within the practice workflow, allowing you to track it from start to finish. For more information, please refer to the booking status user manual linked in this video's description. Locations can be customized for your practice, such as room or ward names and numbers, so you'll only see the options that are relevant to you. For more information on how to set up booking locations, please refer to the user manual, Booking Location Setup. From here, set the date and time. The system will automatically fill in the default duration, but you can adjust it if you need to. If you change the end time or tick rest of day, we'll consider that the consultation is expected to continue for the remainder of the day. Next, we have the practitioner. The system will be set up to the default treating practitioner, but you can change it if needed. You can also add the reason for the booking, and if there's a referring practitioner, capture their details here. For more information on how to add a referring practitioner, please refer to the How to Add a New Practitioner user manual linked in this video's description. Click the Service Center drop-down menu and select the necessary service center. For more information regarding service centers, please refer to the User Entity Settings user manual linked in this video's description. If the patient is not on the system, fill in the debtor details section. If the debtor is also the patient, click the duplicate debtor button. However, if the patient is on the system, you can search directly on the search bar or click on the ellipse for the full debtor list. Once selected, the debtor and patient details will auto-populate the debtor and patient details fields. Now just click Save, and just like that, your booking is ready and waiting in the diary.